YouTube guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to wrap your wheel. So from this to this, and that's just gonna be wrapping your front face of the wheel. So this is just a DIY. I'm not like a professional or anything, but yeah, if you guys want to do it yourself, you guys can follow me and get it done. Alright, so basically what you will need is a pink hair blow dryer if you don't have it, heat gun, your wheels, and some wraps. So I'm gonna be wrapping it red. It might not look red on the camera for some reason, but it is red. And you just need to clean your wheels wherever you're gonna be wrapping. My wheels are kind of dirty on the inside barrel, but I'm not worried about that. I'm just wrapping the face, so let's get to it. So actually I lied. You're gonna need a few more things. You need a few fresh blades. So I got a whole pack of new blades here. I'm just gonna use it like a husky knife, pocket knife, but I can switch them out anytime they get dull. So actually I forgot one step. I gotta take off the hubcap. Okay, so you just wanna make a cut from your wrap as close to this your wheel size as possible, so it's a little bit long. I'm just gonna trim the top off here so it'll be more squared off, and I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna get a scissor. So you actually need scissors too. It's more squared with the wheel, so I'm just gonna peel this off here. So the wraps that I'm using, they're 3M wrap. Just want to lay it on top of your wheel as flat as possible without any stretching. So I'm just gonna be wrapping the face, so I don't have to worry about the corner edges or anything like that. So I'm just gonna lock these in. Once you get that in, I just want to cut around the corner here, so I could go in and cut these inserts out here. The fresh blade, go ahead, go cut around the circle. Just make sure to not cut your paint, and don't go too far down so you don't cut your paint on your wheel. Unless you don't care like me, then doesn't matter. Make sure all the places where you want your wrap to be, make sure they're all locked in. Squeegee it out. I'm just gonna cut off these circles for the lug nut and the hubcap first. Just want to start from anywhere you want to start from. You just poke a little hole, and then you just let it ride on the edges, not on the paint though. You could still scratch out your paint if you put it too close. Just gotta use it as a guide. This is why it's good to use sharp knives, so you don't cut. It's not hard to cut, you just glide it through. Kind of OCD, so I'm gonna switch out the blade or turn it around and use the other end, so I can start with these inlets or these space that I gotta cut out. Okay, so for these, since mine are straight, I'm just gonna cut at the end here and then go around the U shape here and then go out, and then I will Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do this corner here. So just gonna put it down around the corner and then kind of pull it down so it goes around the corner of spokes here. After I do that, I'm just gonna cut off the excess wraps here. And this is if you don't really care about your paint, because it's gonna scratch your paint a little bit, especially using a knife, because you gotta cut into it. So if you're not comfortable with that, then use nice knifeless tape or go to a professional or something. But this is what I'm gonna do. You could probably put tape under it there as well, but I don't really care about this finish because it's already ruined already. I'm just gonna cut around here. I mean, if you do lightly enough, it won't cut too deep. And there's that. And then you just want to make sure you use heat on it so it doesn't come unwrapped. And then you do that for all the other spokes, and that's how you do it. So I'm just gonna keep doing it. If you guys want to keep watching, you guys could. Or other than that, and if you guys want to see the finish, just watch till the end.
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends that won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not